What's happening, everyone? We have another hard reset for you. Today we're doing one on a Motorola G52. If you have one of these and you have a PIN, pattern, password that you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. Just a heads up, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you got anything important on there, just let you know it's going to get deleted. So just keep that in mind. Also, we're posting a ton of more hard reset and teardowns. So if you guys can subscribe, we'd appreciate that. Otherwise, let's get right into it. So we want to turn the phone off. In this case, the phone's already off, which helps. There is another portion to this when you can't turn the phone off because the passcode won't let you. But the pattern, it keeps on saying you have to enter the PIN. I'll talk about that towards the end and how to get bypass that so you can do the hard reset. But in this situation, the phone's off. So what we want to do is hold the volume down and power button at the same time. You have your volume up, volume down, and power. And so we'll hold volume down and then hold power. Then it'll bring us to this menu. We want to use the volume buttons to scroll, power buttons to select. So we want to scroll down to recovery mode and hit the power button. So to get to that screen, if you have a phone that won't turn off, what you have to do is hold both volume up, volume down, and power. You want to kind of angle it from this aspect so you can touch the screen to make sure you know when the phone's off. As soon as the phone actually turns off, let go of volume up, but continue holding volume down and power, and that will bring you to that first menu where we scroll down to recovery menu. So you basically have to restart the phone and then command it to get into recovery mode that way if you can't turn it off. So that's how you kind of get around that aspect, just to give you guys a heads up. Now let's tailor back into here. Once you get here, you can you get the no command screen. And to get out of this, you want to hit power and volume up at the same time. Usually just hold power real quick and then tap volume up. And then it'll bring us to the reset menu. You just want to let go really quick so you don't accidentally hit that. The phone doesn't think you're trying to reboot the phone real quick. Otherwise, we'll scroll down with the volume buttons, and we'll scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Hit the power button, confirm. Hit the power button again. It's deleting. It's done. Then we can either reboot system or power it off, and in this case, we'll just power it off. But this one, once you reboot it, it will take you to the welcome screen, and you can navigate the phone back to the home screen and set it back up how you wish. So hopefully you guys found this useful. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you guys could like, share, subscribe, all that great stuff. Otherwise, we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.